LaView N11 is an extraordinary outdoor home security camera of 1080 pixels supportive with a wire-free body and rechargeable battery. With its night vision and IP65 rated waterproof design, N11 secures your home day and night from the rain or sunshine. Also, it's compatible with Alexa and multi-family member sharing. You could even get access to the US cloud service built in and check the footage anywhere and anytime with its wide-angle lens of up to 140 degrees. Step 1. Download and install the LaView app. Complete the registration. Step 2. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Click Add icon to add a camera. Select the video surveillance, then the smart camera. Step 4. Power on the camera by pressing the power button. Step 5. Press the reset button and hold for 5 seconds and hear a beep. The reset button is on the bottom of the camera and it's near the SD card slot. Wait until the LED indicator flashes rapidly, which means the camera is ready for pairing. Step 6. Enter the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password to create a QR code that contains your Wi-Fi information. Make sure your Wi-Fi is in the status of 2.4 GHz. Step 7. Use the camera to scan the QR code. Keep the camera 6 to 8 inches away from the phone, so the camera works perfectly with its focus. Step 8. Press a heard the beep when the camera beeps and the camera will start pairing. When connecting, make sure your router, mobile phone, and the camera are closed. Step 9. Wait until the camera is connected and registered to your account. Now you can start using the camera. There are different features on the home screen of the app. Time watermark can be turned on or off in basic function settings. Signal strength indicates your camera's stability of the network. To ensure the user experience of your camera, please check the camera is placed at a location where the Wi-Fi signal is higher than 80%. Volume setting allows you to activate and deactivate the mute mode. Graphic settings. Both standard definition and high definition mode are provided as options of the image clarity. Full screen mode. For our users' better viewing experience, we have a full screen function built in the app. Press the icon at the bottom right for a clearer vision. Battery status. The battery status allows you to look into the battery status of your device at any time. Screenshot. The screenshot will be saved to the LaView apps album. Speaking. You can talk to the people near the camera with your phone. Recording. Recorded video clips can be saved to the LaView apps album. Playback. The footage will be stored into the SD card and played if you have an SD card inserted in the slot. Cloud storage. Will upload your footage to the cloud. You'll be able to view and play these clips. Fees and the subscriptions are badged with an individual device. For the album, you can browse the screenshot and record the videos here. There is the setting icon on the top right corner. On the top of the screen, there's the name of your camera. We provide you with icon customization, device name, and device location settings for your camera. Then there's the device information. You can find out the camera owner, virtual ID, and other device information. LaView N11 camera also supports third-party smart home speakers such as Amazon Echo and Google Assistant. Please check out our user manual or additional video tutorials for specific setup instructions. Basic function settings allow you to turn on or off the time watermark and flip the screen if needed. IR night vision helps you to get a clear vision at night. You can switch it on, off, or to auto mode. and we recommend using the auto mode that allows the camera to turn on the IR function automatically in a scene of low light. Detection alarm settings. There's a motion detector built in the camera, which enables you to switch on a human body filter and reduce the interference. PIR function. Passive infrared sensors detect body heat by monitoring changes in temperatures, and the camera will be only triggered by PIR thermal detection, which helps with low power consumption to guarantee the long battery life. You can also choose off, low, or high switch accustomed to your likes. Power management settings allow you to check the device battery status. Power source, and you can also set the low battery alarm threshold on your phone. The storage settings demonstrate your storage capacity of how much is used as well as its remaining capacity. The SD card will override the oldest data when it's full. Also, you could simply format the SD card by the app if you would like to clear the space. Event recording is a default setting that only by detecting motion will the camera starting recording videos. You can subscribe to video cloud storage service by clicking VAS or cloud storage. Offline notification will allow the device to send a notification once the device stayed offline over 30 minutes. FAQ and feedback. You can find a common issue and solution. And if the problem is still not solved, feel free to send us feedback and we will get back to you once we receive it. Share device. You can share the device to another account to grant him access to the camera. If you wish to connect this camera to another account, please remove the device from your account first and then add it to the new account.